Hi guys, welcome back to my Myankaranation YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make Ankara purse bag from the scratch, and these are the materials I'll be using. This is Evostic gum or shoemaker gum, using tape rule. This is scissors, Ankara fabric. This is back chain. We'll be using Velcro. This is lining. Using Marco. I'll be using hot glue. So guys, this is Marco. On your Marco, measure out. This is 19.5 inches. 19.5 inches by 11 inches. By 11 inches. 19 by 11 inches. So guys, this is the kind of purse we are making. So for this purpose, you will need to pick one side of the Marco for your front and the back. So for the front, you want to make a design like this for the front of your purse. So cut this out. So you can bend this to cut this other side out, and just you can use your pen to mark it. So when you are done, it's time to wrap this up with our Ankara fabric. So what you need to do is to apply gum. Apply your gum, you allow it to dry, and you wrap it up with your fabrics. You wrap your Ankara fabric with your Marco, and when you are done, you flip it to the other side. You fold in this excess by adding your Evostic gum to the edges. So when you are done wrapping up, you apply your gum to this other side of the fabric, to this other side of the Marco. Then you're going to cover it up with your lining. Use your lining to wrap this up. When you are done wrapping with your lining, this is it, and this is the other side. So now it's time to cut out the side of our purse. So you fold your purse the way you want it to be. Fold it this way. Then you put another Marco and put your purse this way. So draw the side out. So pen, draw out the side. And when you are done, you cut it out. So this is it. We're going to use a tape pro and cut out about 1 inch of 1 inch. Cut this off. We're going to use this to cut for the other side. So you place this one on another marker to draw out for the other side of the bag. I'm also going to cut this out. So when you are done cutting out, you're going to apply your gum. Wrap this up with our Ankara fabric. I'm going to fold the excess in. Do the same for this other side. So guys, when you are done wrapping, you're going to use your lining to cover up for this other side. So you apply your gum. Apply your gum and always allow your gum to dry a bit. So this is it, guys. So I'll do the same for this other side. Guys, I'm done wrapping the side with the Ankara fabric and with the lining for the both side. So the next thing to do is to pick your purse and you fold it the way you want it to be, and we'll start fixing the side with the help of hot glue. We'll fix the side of the bag. So guys, with the help of hot glue, you start fixing the side of the bag. Apply your hot glue and start fixing. Hold it to dry. So guys, this is it. I fixed one side of the bag and this is the inside. So now you fix the other parts of the purse with the help of your hot glue. So guys, when you are done fixing the both side of our purse, you cover it. It's time to fix the lock for the back. And for the lock, I'll be using a Velcro. This is Velcro. So you measure 2 inches. 2 inches. And we are going to cut this into 1 inch. So you're going to fix this here. I'm going to fix one here and the other one will be here. So with the help of our hot glue, let's fix this side. So the other part is on it. The other part is on it. So I'll also apply hot glue on it. I'll do the same for this one. Then cover it up. When it's dry, you open it up and this is what our purse looks like. So now it's time to fix the purse chain. So with a piece of Ankara fabric, you just put it this way. Fix it here. Fix it here. So guys, this is it for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and don't forget to share to your friends and family. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next tutorial.